Solution to exercise 1. We have a 40% solution, and how many gallons of that do we need? We have an 80% solution, and we have 200 gallons of that, and we want to end up with a 65% solution. The first two buckets are dumped into the third one, so we have 0.4 x gallons of acid, 160 gallons of acid, and in the third bucket 0.65 of x plus 200 gallons. So the sum of the first two buckets must be the same as the acid in the third bucket. Distribute, subtract 0.65 x from both sides, combine like terms, subtract 160, finally divide by negative 0.25, which is supposed to give you x, which is 120. So mix 120 gallons of a 40% acid solution with 200 gallons of an 80% acid solution to get 65% acid solution. Exercise 2. We have a 35% silver alloy. We have a 70% silver alloy, and we have an X% silver alloy. Again, the X is a decimal, so to convert it to a percent, you multiply by 100. Percent means over 100, so 100 over 100 is 1. You just have X here. 40 grams, 260 grams, 300 grams. 14 grams of silver in the first alloy, 182 grams of the silver in the second alloy, and 300 x grams of, this is silver, not acid. So we get our equation here, we solve the equation, and we end up with something like 0.65 and a third, which means that the concentration is 65 and 1/3%.